listen to what Dr. Yunus said. Do it now. What does he mean? How can you do it now? Use online to develop the 3 zeros. So the pandemic has been a curse, but let's make use of the
who is the key people in establishing the social business. And we know that social business is defined as a business whose purpose is to solve social problems in a financial sustainable way. So that is a very important point, financial sustainable way.
GNH inspired education. So that is gross national happiness inspired.
And I represent the people of Sabah
from poverty. Second, do you know that the idea of providing this microfinance in Sabah since 30 years ago is coming from Dr. Muhammad. Dr. Yunus has said, it is very bad when 6 people own the same as 4 billion people's money. It is like an upside down pyramid and not stable. Am I right? The question is how to solve this wealth concentration problem caused by AI. As a lecturer, I had the responsibility to prepare my students ready to employ before their grade. In Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu, we have a center of technology named STEMSEL AIoT as a center to focus on this.
We just started working on the project called online babysitting.
Now, AI has always been accessible to rich and powerful only, and that has created a massive wealth divide and concentration.
And we are together fighting towards zero unemployment and of course the zero poverty.